All right, we're gonna be doing a modification to Henry here. You get it, Henry Ford. So we're gonna be doing an intake modification. It's called the GOTTS mod, G-O-T-T-S. This little snorkel here, we're actually gonna make that bigger with some PVC pipe and a coupler. People say it works, so we're gonna try it. It's been $18 at Lowe's. So what you're gonna wanna do is just take off pretty much this piece. All of this can stay. You only work in here. So really all this can just stay on if you can get it off without having to take all that off. That's all you gotta get out. All you have to do is undo that one clip, or one clamp anyway, not a clip. Right here. It's got two little holes that those rod in. It's a lot easier to just take your finger, push up on it as you're pulling it out. Probably gonna clean the air filter while it's out. It's got a K&N air filter in it, so we might go ahead and clean that while we're here. So now, time for the modification part. All right, so we've got it on. Look at the difference. So now let's put it in here. All right, I got it done. That's the GOTTS mod, GOTTS intake modification. You can do that on any of your F-150s and a lot of other trucks. Definitely a noticeable difference on the takeoff. Taking off from a red light or anything like that, feels a little bit smoother, better throttle response. Higher RPMs, like you're merging on the interstate, stuff like that, can't really notice that much of a difference, which is to be expected. I mean, it's not like we did a huge modification to it, so it's not going to give us a whole bunch of horsepower or torque. I mean, it's mainly just for your down low stuff, is what it feels like anyway. If it's any top end, I can't feel any difference. But definitely worth my $18, $20 worth of parts and maybe a half hour's worth of time. Definitely worth it. I like it. Keep on driving it and see what my miles per gallon starts looking like. Anyway, stay tuned, because there's going to be more to Henry as we go forward with the restoration process on this thing.